Having an interference nightmare here with the PBX installation, and I really am not understanding it. So I've spent the past hour or two trying to figure this out. The problem is there's a sound on the line in this room, and this is the sound. It's very invasive and you can't use it like that. It's totally unusable. It's audible on this phone. It's audible when I connect this line to any other phone in the house. It totally hoses the line. Now, to me, this is not an analog sound. This is not like it's a bad cable or something. That to me is some kind of a phone line sitting on top of a transformer or a transmitter, and it's picking up the radiation from that. So what I've done here is I've passed several different wires through the wall because I thought maybe, because the way it used to run is there was a line that came in here and it came all the way over there into that surge protector, then went all the way back from the surge protector, and then it went into the amplifier. So I took that out and I said, well, I'll put a surge protector in the other room so the line is shorter, and it didn't make any difference at all whatsoever. So then I ran a new wire through the wall because I thought perhaps the cord was bad, and it didn't make any difference. So then what I did was I went into the bedroom here, and because this is where the PBX resides, it's in here, and I took a line, I plugged a line in out of the amplifier, which is connected to the PBX now, and I went over here, I went over here, and I went into here, and I went straight over to there where the main junction is for this room, and it was fine. So then I plugged this cable back in, which is the one that I was using for testing purposes, because this was in here originally. I was using this cable for testing to connect from behind there over to under there, and I plugged this I went in here and I plugged this cable in. I plugged it into the line. Immediately that sound comes up, even if nothing is in the other end of this cord. So this cord makes the sound, which again I don't understand, because that sound, it's not an analog sound. Okay. That's not, oh, we have a bad connection on a cord. That's not a hum from a bad cord. That's some kind of interference, and I can't fathom what it would be if this cord picks it up, but it's not the wiring under there, which is where all the stuff is. I thought for sure it was something under there. It's not under there. It's not the line that goes from there over through this wall and then over there and then over to here, because that line was fine when it was a direct pass-through from the other room into here. So I don't know what it is. I'm really kind of baffled as to what it could be. I would say maybe there's some kind of a wire in the wall over there where it passes through, like an AC wire or something. But if I plug this cord in and it makes the noise out in the middle of nowhere, then it can't be something specifically in that wall. So I don't know what's going on. I'm getting really irritated by this.